I promise you, this policeman will be dead to us. I've seen him. Police go even as their body dirty, they arrest them. But if children see police now, then they run. And if they run, they'll say, why did they run? Then go arrest them. My children, they arrest them on Sunday when they play ball. Every day, they don't get weekends. Police, they carry POS for car for a CEO. They collect 300,000, 200,000 for boys. Una say that they do Yahoo. Una they collect money for Yahoo. Una not stop them, make them not to again.
Why we come out today? They don't see enter our area today. They say we be Yahoo. We not be Yahoo boys. We do our own, they found our money. We not be Yahoo. So make them leave us. Why we even come out now? Because we want to make government come talk. Because police come guide us, not be to harass us. Police don't let us the rest. They go enter our city. They post our things. They carry our property. They collect money for our hand. If we see police now, that's also wrong with the wrong. Make them leave us, so police go to carry POS. Now the next thing come now.